Ever wondered if there's more to eye health than just carrots? Spoiler, there is. Let's explore 7 superfoods that can boost your vision while keeping things light and fun. 1. Carrots, the classic. Rich in beta-carotene, carrots are known to support good vision. But eat too many and you might turn orange seriously. 2. Spinach, the eye saver. Packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, spinach helps protect your eyes from harmful blue light. Just be cautious if you have kidney stones. Spinach contains oxalates. 3. Salmon, omega-3 magic. Salmon is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help prevent dry eyes and age-related macular degeneration. Limit intake to avoid mercury buildup. 4. Eggs, vision boosters. Eggs offer lutein, vitamin E, and zinc for eye health. Enjoy a couple daily, but don't overdo it to avoid cholesterol issues. 5. Citrus fruits, vitamin C power. Oranges and lemons reduce cataract risk with their vitamin C. Just don't overindulge. Acidic fruits can trigger acid reflux. 6. Almonds. Snack wisely. Almonds provide vitamin E, protecting your eyes from damage. They're calorie-rich, so a small handful is best. 7. Sweet potatoes, sweet vision. Like carrots, sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene. Balance them with low-carb foods to avoid too many carbs. Conclusion: feed your eyes these fantastic foods for better vision, but remember, balance is key. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun health tips. Your eyes will thank you.